What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Please do subscribe and like the video. The former Big Brother Mzansi couple who dated during the 2025 season traded public statements after Ashley gave birth on February 14, 2026, and it looks like the drama between the two is not ending anytime soon. So shortly after Sweet Guluva released a statement where he said he was denied access to the child and he's also demanding a paternity test so that he's sure he fathered Ashley Ugul's child. Ashley has also released a statement responding to Sweet Guluva that she never denied him access to the child. This comes after Sweet Guluva said she reached out to Ashley to meet the child, and Ashley is saying no, that is not true, nobody has reached out to her. And the only time that Sweet has reached out was after she gave birth and he was demanding to be on the birth certificate. She is saying her family was disrespected and she ensured bullying and harassment. And now Sweet Guluva is questioning the paternity of her child. She has now cut communication with him and now deals with him through her legal team. Let me know on the comment section what you think about this whole situation, and thank you so much for clicking.